Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Last time we learned about adding fractions. Today we are going to learn how to subtract fractions. So, are you ready? Let's start. I want you to look at this fraction and tell me how many yellow parts can you see? Excellent. So we have three yellow parts. Okay. What is the fraction of these three parts? So we said we have three yellow parts. Okay. So the numerator is a 3. What about the denominator? The parts in all. How many parts in all do we have? 4. Excellent. So the fraction is 3 over 4. Okay. 3 over 4. If we want to take away one part, okay, if we want to subtract one part of these three parts, okay, so how many yellow parts um, were left? How many yellow parts were left? Let's count them. One, two. Excellent. So what we are going to do here, we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, we take away just one part over 4. Okay, the parts in all, they are 4. So what is the fraction of this part? 1 over 4. So 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 equals, we said that we don't add numerator, we don't add denominator, we just add the numerator. Okay, the same thing here in subtraction, we just subtract the numerator, we don't subtract the denominator. Okay, so we are going to put it as it is. So here we have 4, so the denominator here is 4. Okay, we didn't say 4 minus 4 equals 0. No, we just subtract the numerator. Okay, so 3 minus 1 equals, excellent, 2. So the difference here is 2 over 4. 2 over 4. Okay, so we have a question on page 45. In question number 1, we are going to color and find. Okay, so here we have a rectangle and it's divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, so how many parts we are going to color? We are going to color like this fraction. Okay, the first one. So 3 over 3. So how many parts we are going to color? The 3 parts. Excellent. Okay, if we want to take away, if we want to subtract one part from these 3 parts, okay, so how many parts were left? So here we are going to subtract or take away one part. Okay, so how many parts were left? Excellent, because 3 minus 1 equals 2, and we don't subtract denominator, so we have 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay, and number 2, we have 10 triangles. Okay, so how many triangle we are going to color? We are going to look at the first fraction, this one, 7 over 10. Okay, so we are going to color how many parts? 7 parts. Excellent. So we colored 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if we want to take away 4 parts of these 7 parts, okay, so how many parts were left? Let's take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many were how many triangle were left? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Excellent. So and here what's the denominator? It is 10. So the difference 3 over 10. Number 3, here we have a circle and it's divided into 8 equal parts. Okay. So here, how many parts we are going to color? We are going to look at the first fraction. This is the first fraction, 4 over 8. So how many parts we are going to color? 4, because the numerator here is 4. So we are going to color 4 parts. Okay? So if we want to take 2 parts of these four parts. So how many parts were left? So these are four. Okay, we're going to take away two parts. So how many parts were left? Four minus two equals two. Excellent. And what is the denominator? It is eight. So the difference is 2 over 8. Number four, we have how many circle do we have? We have 10 circle. Excellent. So I want you, if your book has the number 12, write 10. Okay, and here write 10, please. Okay, because we have 10 circles. They are not 12. Okay, so we have 9 over 10 minus 1 over 10. Okay, so how many parts we are going to color? 9 parts. Okay, so I colored 9 parts. If we want to just take one part, just one part. Okay, so how many parts we're going to left? 9 minus 1 equals 8. Excellent. And what's the numerator, the denominator? It is 10. 8 over 10. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. Fill the blank. Number 1, it is already answered. Look at number 2. 9 over 9 minus 3 over 9. So just we are going to subtract the numerator. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. And what is the denominator? It is 9. Excellent. We don't subtract the denominator. Okay, here we have 27 minus, here we have a blank, equals 18. How we are going to know the answer? We are going to subtract 27, okay, minus 18 to know the answer. To know the answer, okay? 7 minus 8, we can subtract 7 minus 8. So we are going to take 1 from the ones. So 1 becomes 1. And 17 minus 8 equals 9. And here we have 0. So the number is 8. So 27 minus 9 equals 18. Okay, so how can we know the answer? We subtract 27 from 18 to know the answer. Okay, and what is the denominator here? It is a 42. 42. Okay, number 4, we have 11 minus 2. Excellent. You can use your fingers. Okay. So here we have 9. And what is the denominator? It's a 25. Excellent. Number 5, 11 minus 7. It is 4. Excellent. And what is the denominator? Here we have 14 and here we have 14. So what is the denominator here? It is 14. The last one, what is the number that do we have here? 6 minus what equal 4? We are going to do the same thing. 6 minus 4. So put 6 in your fingers, okay? Take 4 of them. So how many were left? 2. Excellent. So 6 minus 2 equal 4. Okay? Now we are going to use the figure to find the subtract. Okay? So here I don't use the rectangle that we have here. I draw circles. Okay, so here we have 4 over 6 minus 2 over 6. So how many circles I'm going to draw? 6, because the denominator here is 6, okay? How many parts I'm going to color? 4. So I colored 4 of these 6 circles, okay? If we want to take away 2 circles, if we want to take 2 circles, how many circles were left? 4 minus 2 equals 2. Excellent. And what is the denominator? It is 6. So 2 over 6. Okay, so here we have 1, 2 over 6. Number 2, draw the story of 5 over 9 minus 2 over 9. Okay, so the denominator here we have 9. So how many parts we are going to draw? 9 parts. I draw 9 triangles. Okay, so how many triangles I'm going to color? 5. Excellent, because the numerator here in the first fraction 5. So I colored 5 triangles. If I want to take 2 triangles, so how many triangles were left? 5 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3. Excellent. 3 over, what's the denominator? It is 9. Excellent. 3 over 9. Okay, the question here, it's not important, but I'm going to explain it to you. Find, we have 1 minus 3 over 5. Okay? Previously we said that if we have the numerator and the denominator the same number, so they are, or the fraction equals 1. Okay, so 2 over 2 equal 1, 3 over 3 equal 1, 10 over 10 equals 1. Okay, so here we are going to change number 1 and write a numerator and the denominator. Okay, so we are going to choose a numerator and the denominator according to the denominator that we have here. So here we have a number 5. So what is the numerator and the denominator? 5 over 5. Okay, now we are going to subtract 5 over 5 minus 3 over 5. 5 minus 3 equals 2, and sorry, here we have 2 over 5, the same denominator. Okay, and number 2, we have 1 minus 3 over 10. Okay, so what is the numerator and the denominator here? If we are going to change number 1, we said that we are going to look at the denominator here. It is 10. So here we are going to write 10 over 10. Okay, minus 3 over 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and the same denominator here. Okay, so we're done. Thank you.